Hi everybody, Casey here. This section is where you claim a credit, which is basically just a way to reduce your taxes due. If you paid for a truck last year that was destroyed, stolen, sold or traded, or didn't go over 5,000 miles, you can get a credit. If none of that fits, go ahead and click no credits and you're all done with this section and this video. Congrats, I guess. Your truck worked hard for you all year. But if any of that does apply, go ahead and click yes, add credits, and let's walk through it. And hey, I guess congrats to you too, because a tax break is a tax break. Two quick notes before we get going. The IRS doesn't ask for documentation right now, but they may later. It's smart to keep records that prove what happened with this filing for at least 3 years. 2, if your units are already in the fleet list, you can select them with this button here. You don't have to type them all out again. Now I'm going to start here by choosing my reason. And the first reason on our drop-down menu is because the truck was destroyed. Sadly, that means that they didn't make it through the year. Enter the details of the truck and the date, and we'll use that to calculate your refund. Once you've got a unit saved, you can click right here to add more credits. Now reason 2 is our most common reason for credit. And it's the most detailed because, yes, the IRS wants all of this information for any units that were sold or traded. So please, do us all a favor and don't leave anything blank. If you're scratching your head and wondering, who did I sell that truck to again? Check your bill of sale. Now reason 3 is because the mileage limit was not exceeded. This is for the trucks that were mostly parked, under 5,000 miles total for most of us, and 7,500 for farmers. That's for the whole fiscal year between July and June, regardless of who owned the truck or who drove it. So we'll ask you for the date of your originally filed 2290, so that we can calculate your tax amount correctly. If the IRS ever checks, they will want receipts or records that show odometer history. They're not just going to take your word for how many miles the vehicle traveled. And finally, our last reason for units that were stolen. First of all, if this happened to you, we're so sorry. That's the worst. Just choose stolen and give us the date that it happened, and we'll calculate the refund amount. Once everything is filled in, you can click Save, and repeat this process for any other trucks that qualify for a credit. When you're done, you'll hit Continue, and until then, just keep up the good work. Your 2290 is almost done.